If you're like me and you would prefer to stay away from any needles, injectables, Botox, this video is for you. I have been using a device now for several months. I have had so many of you ask me, what are you doing differently? What are you doing? Your skin looks amazing. You look like you're aging backwards. One of the reasons that that is happening is this device right here, the Ziip Halo. I love this device and I'm going to explain why I love it. You're also going to see me share two more treatments with you. One is the lift and one is the all-inclusive. So you will see me demo those treatments for you. You're also going to see in the video how to properly apply this conductive gel, which I love their conductive gels. They're not gels that you may be familiar with if you were already using a microcurrent. The gels they stay hydrated, so you don't have to keep spraying them with water. You don't have to keep applying them. Just make sure that you are putting enough on and you are good to go. Today I'm using this one. This is the crystal gel. You're also going to see before and after photos of what I looked like before I started using this. And I'm telling you right now, the more I use this, the better my skin has gotten. And I look at those photos and I cannot, it's like, holy cow, my skin has changed so much. So let's get into the details. Let's start looking. You can watch the video there. And I want to tell you a little bit more about it. What I love about the Ziip Halo is that after a short amount of time, I have seen results. And you will too. You'll see results. First off, when you first use it, you're going to notice a lift, like I did. And when I look at, when you see the before and after photos, I'm telling you, you can see my face looked really flat and now it looks more lifted and plump. So you'll notice that right away. And then after about 3 days, you're going to start to notice a glow within your skin. And then after 3 weeks, that's when you're going to start to see the real results. You're going to see smoother, brighter skin, and you're going to start getting compliments like I am, because I'm telling you, you all are asking me what I'm doing differently. And this is I credit it to this. So let me tell you a little bit about the difference between this and other microcurrent. The Ziip Halo has microcurrent and nanocurrent. So let's talk about microcurrent real quick. So microcurrent is going to target facial muscles, which is mimicking a workout for a lifted, tightened look. Then it also has nanocurrent. So what is nanocurrent? So nanocurrent, what it does is it has electrical wavelengths and it syncs with impulses for a cellular growth and repair, and it's going to give you lasting results. And one thing you'll see in the video that I'm doing when I am doing the all-inclusive, that particular treatment, I'm first going in and I'm lifting. I'm doing the toning. I'm doing the lifting. And once I get through with all of that, then I go through and it will switch over to nanocurrent. And then you kind of glide it over your face. And it's locking in all that I just did. So all those things that I just did to tone my face, all those movements that I did with the device, it's going to lock it in with the nanocurrent. And that is the great thing about nanocurrent. As Melanie says, it's the gift that keeps on giving. And it is so true. So what I love about this device as well is that it does not take long to do. There's different treatments that you can do. And you can do different treatments together to get different results. So as I said, you're seeing me doing the lift and the all-inclusive. And I've been doing that for about 5 weeks now. And once I'm done with that treatment, I can do, I can kind of make up my own. I can go and do I can just work on my eyes. I can work on my jowls. I can work on my lips. You can do a couple different treatments and kind of mix it all up, or you can just kind of do the same thing for a couple weeks and then go on to do something else. Melanie is always giving really, really good tips. I follow her on Instagram. So on Zip Halo, follow them on Instagram. And she's always going in there and giving different treatments for you to follow. But you can use it without the app, but I highly recommend using it with the app because I feel like you're going to get more benefits from it because you're going to have a lot more treatments and things that are going to help you target specific areas on your face that you are concerned with. Now, I even use it under my chin, but you never want to use it in the middle of your neck because that's your thyroid. So you'll see me do like working on my neck, and I'm pulling it up and I kind of work my way over by my chin underneath, but I never ever just go straight up the middle with it. I've just seen so many results with this. You guys, I love this device. It's wonderful. One more thing I want to mention before we look at the before and after is I have a code that you can use. It's Annie Zip. So it's ANNE Zip. I'm going to put it below with a link, but that's going to give you 15% off Zip Halo and gels. And I highly recommend this device. You guys know that I'm really picky about things that I promote on here. And I truly believe in this device. I've seen it for myself, and you all have seen it as well. And I credit my skin looking the way it is, a lot of it, to this device. I just highly recommend this. You'll see me talking about this in future videos as well because I love it and I believe in it. And if you are consistent with it, you will see results. You will see results. Like I said, I have seen results. You guys have told me that, and I've seen it. Well, look at what my skin looked like. It looked nice, right? Looked nice. Looked okay. But my face looks really flat too. Let's look at the after. Do you see the difference between the two? I do. Look at the difference. So my skin not only looks more lifted and plump, but I have more of a glow to my skin. Look at both those photos. Cleansed skin, no skincare. There's no skincare, but you can clearly see in the after photo that my skin looks so good. It looks glowy. I just got back from a trip and I took this with me because I wanted to keep using it. It's travel friendly. It's easy to use. It does not take a lot of time to do it. And you will see results. I can't stress that enough. You will see results, but you must be consistent. You've got to use it at least 4, and I would recommend, honestly, 5 days a week. 5 days a week. Do it in the morning, do it at night, fit it somewhere in your routine, and you will not regret it. So I really hope that you all enjoyed this video, and I will leave all the information below so you can check it out, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.